Alright everyone, I just want to get this out of the way. There should be no one who thinks that Fortnite is out for Android, but I still see tons of videos on how to like people installing Fortnite on their Android, and they always direct you into this link. So I'll just go ahead and show you. So if you click on here, you go to this link. I'm not even going to tell you the link because nobody should really be downloading it, but I'll just show you what happens when you do install this. So for example, so I go ahead and click OK, and it's already downloading. It's downloading an APK, right? And so if you look at this website, it looks pretty legit. Okay, it says Fortnite for mobile. It says, you know, Fortnite code for, I guess, the invite code for iOS. So I went ahead and just installed it. So then you click done, and it should be like a Fortnite logo somewhere. As you can see, it shows right there, Fortnite mobile. And just right there, I can tell you that that's not even the right Fortnite icon, because on my iPhone, it doesn't look anything like this. So you go ahead and click it, and then it just like goes in here, right? And then you're like, oh my God, I installed it. This is actually what it is. Like, this is crazy. Like, I'm actually getting it. But really all they did was just add a video on top of like some simple, I don't even know how they did this. Just literally a video. That's all it is. A video that just plays as soon as you click it, because you can click everything and nothing's going to happen. And then it says downloading, right? But then it automatically just cuts to the thing where it's like, click on this app and you can go ahead and get it, this and that. And this is the thing that literally cracks me up because it looks legit, right? So it says tap to begin. You go ahead and click it, right? And it says yada yada loading here, but it makes you, this legit does not make any sense ever. So in one aspect, like, I'm actually kind of like surprised, and like I have to give them props for like conning their way kind of into it. So you get this notification, mobile verification required. You click OK, right? First of all, what does that even mean, mobile verification required? So it says allow you to send, I'm gonna click block, but you go ahead and I guess you just download this app, right? So you click free, tap to install. And I guess it's going to install an APK. Okay, I guess they have to know. Actually, I'm a female. Okay, next. How old are you? 40 plus. Okay, next. What best describes you? This one. Next. Okay, install. So I'm going to go ahead and install this app. I guess they require you to install it. So go ahead and install it. Okay, here we go. Skip. So you click Fortnite Mobile again, I'm assuming. And because I already did everything they asked me to. And I'm just getting a black screen. Yeah, I'm just getting a black screen. I don't know what's going on. So go ahead and hop out and I'll go back into it. But I can tell you just like right now, like, it's not going to work. Like, it was never going to work. And if we get a loading screen again, because technically it already loaded or downloaded, so I don't know why it would download again, you know what I'm saying? So if it downloads again, then it's completely just a video, and it's just like, so it does say loading now, so it's a little bit different. So I had to switch the battery out of the camera. Alright, so we tap to begin, and this is the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. They might do the mobile verification thing again, but as you guys saw, like, I already did it, so it would make no sense for me to do it again. Okay, as you guys can see, it's just a non-stop spawn. This is just how they're going to get their money off it. This is just like, I guess, a public service announcement. Fortnite has not came out for Android yet. You're just going to keep getting these type of notifications to download this or that. This is not even an actual app, so this is just a video overlaid with some like touch controls. This is not the game. This is not how you install it. I would highly suggest I'm not going to link this anywhere, so don't install this or anything, guys. Do yourself a favor and stay away. This is not a virus or anything, but this is just a clever way for them to make money off it. Like this video if you enjoyed it though. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button. On my second channel, Lo-Fi Alpaca, I'm going to start dropping my music on there every single day. So every day I'm going to drop a new beat. I make like lo-fi tracks, obviously. So go give it a listen. They're free to use. Just give me credit, and that's pretty much it. Links in the description. Hit that subscribe button, though, dude. We're trying to get to 40,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Pretty sure it's going to happen, but I need all the support. So go hit that subscribe button. That would mean so much. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys, and I hope I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.